afternoon, sir. My name is Kajal and I'm from Rail Analysis. First of all, I would like to welcome you to the 16th International Railway Equipment Exhibition and being held here in Bharat Mandapam at Delhi. Please share with us what's your exhibition today.
My name is Amit De. I represent Tata AutoComp here, uh, working as a CEO for TM Automotive Seating Systems and also member of board for TM Fainsa joint venture company. Thank you.
My name is Marc Jameau. I'm the president of the group Compin Fainsa. We are supplying seats and interior system for the railway industry, and I'm also member of the board of the joint venture.
And my name is Radek Svoboda. I'm representing Škoda Group, namely Škoda Electric, one of the main subsidiaries, producer of the propulsion and electric system and equipment for all the railway industry. I'm in position of the company CEO and the board member.
Thank you, sir. So, my name is Kajal. I'm from Rail Analysis. First of all, I would like to welcome you here in the 16th International Railway Equipment Exhibition. Can you please share what you are exhibiting today?
Kajal, we are exhibiting various railway products which Tata AutoComp already enter into. In the interior, we are already showcasing the new generation sleeper berth and the day coach train seats also, and the train driver seats, which are our core product from TM Fainsa joint venture. We are also representing the sheet molded composite, the new composite technology, and the correspondent applications in railway, and mainly the laboratories which we are currently supplying by Taco Composite to railway. We are also showcasing the next generation HVAC systems which Tata AutoComp wanted to bring through Taco AI. That's another product which we are looking forward, and the newly formed joint venture of Tata AutoComp with Škoda for the propulsion systems. We have not put a physical display, the parts are quite bigger, but we have put a product videos and presentations in the stall to showcase that what's Škoda's capability and what kind of product we are going to bring.
So, how is the Tata AutoComp leveraging automotive expertise to drive innovations in the railway sector?
Yeah, so coming Tata AutoComp diversification in railway is the main factor is that our automotive experience for more than 25 years in India, how we can leverage some of the technologies which will be very relevant for railway, and that's why we enter into the interior segment first, which is the mainly if you look at the train seats, the interiors which currently we are supplying. If you talk about innovation, a lot of things which are there in automotive are still relevant for railways going forward. The market is yet to evolve to that level of automotive. Like today we have displayed here the ventilated seats, even on a chair car compartment we can offer. So we have shown to a lot of customers, and they have really shown great level of interest. We are doing a lot of innovation on sustainability in automotive per se, and the same can directly implement in railway. Like we have put banana fiber application in a PU foam, how we can reduce the PU foam content on a seat level and make it more greener and sustainable. We have displayed here. Many of the railway officials who have visited and they like that product, and they said definitely in the future tender they will look for similar kind of technologies.
Next question to Mr. Reddit. What are the key sustainable technologies being showcased at IRE 25 and how do they align with India's vision for clean mobility?
India rail business, rail industry is booming and inviting practically suppliers, technology suppliers from all over the world, which is, by the way, a big challenge, because what we see is that you practically overskipped one complete decade of the technology development. Therefore, the requirements for the new technologies are really incredibly high, and we supposed to provide practically the newest. So finally, what's the philosophy behind? definitely the LCC cost. So it means there is a huge pressure on the decrease of the energy consumption. So it means the cost of the operation, and definitely its sustainability for a long time. Secondly, to invite the passengers, it means to increase the level of the comfort, and that's practically the target.
Uh, Very wonderful, sir. So, could you please elaborate Skoda's long-term roadmap for future-ready and eco-friendly railway sector?
It would be extraordinary long story. So it means to provide the complete road map for the practically after the aircrafts, the most difficult technology in the world would be really difficult within few words. But that's what we supposed to do, is simply to be oriented mainly on the intercity segment and the city segment. So it means the technology which is today here in India, let's say, mainly missing, and what we can really support. So it means our interest is dedicated for metro projects, for intercity trains like Vande Bharat projects. So that's where we can contribute really on a high level.
Well explained. So, next question with Mr. Mark. How do you see the convergence of automotive and rail technologies reshaping the mobility ecosystem in India?
So there is indeed a convergence between automotive and railway. Um, First, from an industry point of view, clearly over the last decades, India has largely developed its own automotive industry, and a few decades later, we see now that the Indian industry in railway transportation is following the same path with the development, of course, of the operators with Indian Railway, with the development of the train manufacturer locally, but also now with the arrival of European supplier in India, which get in touch with major Indian industrial groups, so that we will localize the supply and the manufacturing of components in the same way as it used to be done for the automotive.
That's very great, sir. So, next question with Mr. Amit, sir. So, how have collaboration with the global players like Škoda Group and Fainsa accelerated Tata AutoComp entry into the advanced rail technologies?
Yeah, I think Fianza we have started 3 years back, and our journey has been very very good, and the progress is really good if you compare to the other competitors or player available in the market today. We have order from the every segment with us, which we are going to deliver in next 2 to 3 years time. So this growth is definitely as per our plan, what we have thought of before we entering into this. Skoda, we have just signed a JV between Tata AutoComp and Skoda in July this year, and we definitely have a roadmap which we are planning, and probably the company is under formation stage, and we have a roadmap in place. Probably at a appropriate time, we'll let others to know that what we are going to do.
That's great. Next question with Mr. Reddick. What makes the Tata AutoComp Škoda Group joint ventures a significant milestone in India mobility ecosystem?
It's a hard question because we are not deeply involved in all the matters. Today, what we expect is simply that's what I already said. So it means to start really with the high technology level, and this is something what could definitely has a great impact on the operability and the cost of the operation of the trains. So it means that's our practically homework to bring the technology which save the energy.
Next question with Mr. Mark. Could you please highlight the specific innovation that help enhance energy efficiency, passengers' comfort, and safety in rail mobility?
So in railway, you need to bring innovation in terms of energy efficiency. It's mainly related at all level of the train with the weight of each component. So for any major component, including a component like seats, you need to bring innovation looking for lighter material with a new technology which will reduce the weight of the seats, and considering the number of seats per train, every kilo that you will win has a large impact on the energy efficiency. But at the same time, you need to pay attention that you will enhance the passenger journey, and doing that, the passenger is expecting to have an improved comfort, and you're doing that in parallel to the weight reduction in bringing new material for the foam, for the different accessories of a seat, so that the passengers will not anymore look for will I be on time or I am safe in a train. No, these are prerequisites for him. Now the passengers is looking for more comfort in the train, and this is what we're doing through innovation.
That's very great, sir. So, next question with Mr. Amit, sir. So, how significant is the railway segment in the Tata AutoComp overall business portfolio today, and what is projected growth over the next 5 years?
You see, railway is going to play a very strategic segment for Tata AutoComp growth, but the automotive part, which is the core business of Tata AutoComps, are growing at a very significant rate, much beyond the industry. And next 5 years, that segment will grow very significantly than the railway. But there is no specific number, but it will be anywhere between 5 to 10% of overall revenue of Tata AutoComp will come from the railway business. That's much I can say. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable.